Hello and welcome everyone on this official platform of Legacy IS Academy. So today in this session I'm going to discuss one of the important historical findings recently. So there was one news in the Hindu newspaper and various other newspapers, and this is nothing but it is a story of remarkable archaeological find that challenges our understanding with respect to the history of megalith period. Clear? So in this session I am going to discuss that how Oraguta's Iron Age site redefines India's ancient architecture. Now, recently, three sites are being discovered by the archaeologists in Telangana region, and those sites belongs to megalithic period. Megalithic means big burial sites and graves. So let's begin with this session. So let me show you that this was the headline in the newspaper in the Hindu Express, that three new archaeological sites discovered in Telangana region. Clear? Now, first of all, we'll try to understand that what is this Oraguta. Oraguta is the name of the place in Telangana region, and this belongs to the megalith site, Iron Age megalith site. So basically in this region, in Oraguta region, which is a type of this megalithic site. So यहाँ पर जो monuments हैं, those monuments are called as dolmenoid cyst. Now, what do you understand by this term dolmenoid cyst? These are like chamber tombs, okay, which are semi-subterranean in nature. So these kind of structures are found recently. Now, so first of all, the site which is discovered at Oraguta, it has slabs arranged with, so there is one slab and side pillar stones are also there, clear, and on the top of it capstone is also there. So I will show you the diagram also, that is picture. Now apart from this, two new rock art sites at Dharmaragotu इस साइट में पाया गया, and this site is in Gundala Mandal. Now this site basically, now here most of the images which are found belongs to the rock art. Now for example, Devarla Banda Mula. Now here only depictions of animals and no humans or weapons are in rock art. Clear? Second important thing, since no weapons or domestic animals are shown, clear? No weapons or domestic animals are shown, so it is believed that the paintings may go back to the Mesolithic age, because humans bhi show nahi kiye gaye, weapons bhi show nahi kiye gaye. That is why based on this, these archaeologists, they are considering that these paintings may belongs to Mesolithic period. Mesolithic means middle age, which belongs to prehistoric times. Clear? Now another important thing with respect to this. Now first of all, let me tell you this, as you can see this image here. Clear? Now megalithic sites, so megalithics are mega means big stones, lithic means stones, so big stones. So megalithics are large stone structures from Iron Age. Now this Iron Age, okay, so in South India basically, or in peninsular region, सबसे suitable word रहेगा peninsular region कहना. So in peninsular India, megalithic culture was there, which starts from Maharashtra and then other parts of South India, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and all. Clear? So these large stone cultures from Iron Age, these things mark the significance of socio-cultural developments of India in ancient times. Now another important thing, these megalithic stone, they also often served as communal burial sites, because these burial sites basically reflect the complex social structure. ये जो burial sites हैं, ये क्या reflect करते हैं? Complex social structure or social culture of that time period. Clear? Now another important thing here is, now this, why Oraguta is important? Because this site is important for its unique landscape. Now as it is written in the newspaper as well, this Oraguta site belongs to the 200 or more than 200 megalithic monuments. तो इस साइट पर more than 200 megalithic monuments पाए गए हैं, and these monuments are hidden within the forest and hilly areas or hill slopes. Clear? Now again, the most important thing, this discovery by archaeologists, again this adds the richness in India's culture and India's historical past. Clear? Now let me show you this image. So I was talking about this image. As you can see here, this is also a burial site. Now this is called as dolmenoid cyst. Now what is dolmenoid cyst? Dolmenoid cysts are burial chambers. ये क्या है? These are burial chambers. Now these cysts are burial chambers. Clear? So these burial chambers are made from stone slabs with a capstone. As you can see here, stone slab and capstone. Clear? Now these capstone, these burial sites are significant for our understanding the mortuary practices of ancient society. Now this will give additional details. Now these things will also give or challenges the India's historical past. Clear? Because these are related to new discoveries. Clear everyone? So apart from this, so this is something very unique. Clear? Now Oraguta's distinctive architecture. अब इसका जो distinctive architecture है, this image was given in the newspaper. So this site feature, now site के जो features हैं, वो सबसे important feature क्या है Oraguta site का? That is dolmenoid cyst with unique shapes, different shapes के हैं. Clear? Now different shapes, but all the shapes are having capstone. Clear? Now second important thing, this architectural uniqueness, this provides new information, new facts, new insights when into this regional variations. Clear? So recently these things are found in Telangana region. Now what is historical significance of this? So these monuments, it is considered as that these monuments dates back around 1000 BC, and these monuments also offers a glimpse into the Iron Age life. कि उस समय Iron Age life कैसी थी? इसीलिए जो साइट की डिस्कवरी है, ये हमारी जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग है उस समय के टेक्नोलॉजिकल एंड कल्चरल डेवलपमेंट से रिलेटेड और ज्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करेगी. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ this site is also a reflection of ancient India, because such discoveries basically actually encourage the or revalue India's agriculture, India's actually cultural past, India's cultural history. Clear? So that is why these things presents the richness in our culture. Clear? That is why we say India's glorious past. Clear? So these things are important from the perspective of your prelims examination. Now another important thing, there are some additional information when UPSC asks about megalithic culture. So in South India and peninsular region especially, that this megalithic culture belongs to Iron Age period. Getting my point? Megalithic means large stone that has been used to construct a prehistoric structure or monuments. Clear? Now important sites of megalithic. So important megalithic sites basically found in peninsular India like Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, clear, Telangana, all these regions. So apart from dolmenoid cyst, there are different other kinds of this megalithic structures. Now like dolmen basically these are formed by placing a large capstone. Dolmen वही है जिसपे large capstone होगा. Clear? So remember this thing, and उस capstone को support करने के लिए the side stones will also be there, pillar stones. Then cairns. Now cairns क्या है? These are stone piles that are conical in shape. Clear? So these will be conical in shape. Then cyst means box shaped structure. Cyst का मतलब क्या होता है? Box shaped structure or burial chambers. Then menhir, monolithic stone structure that is upright. So menhir, remember this thing, this is a kind of monolithic structure and that is upright in nature. And then cape stones. Now अब ये जो cap stones हैं, these are distinctive mushroom shaped stones. Clear? So these are mushroom shaped burial chambers, and these kind of structures are mainly found in Kerala region. Getting my point? So these are some additional information with respect to your prelims. So these are some static information. Clear? So I hope this information will help you in your prelims examination, as well as you can add these things in your prelims notes as well as ancient history, prehistoric period notes. Clear? Because current affairs should always be integrated with traditional knowledge. Getting my point? So I hope this session is clear to all of you. This topic is clear to all of you. Thank you. Thank you so much.